boy D Wills coming at you one more again out here down here in Baldwin, Florida. It's pilot. We're about to go ahead and get it in, alright? 50 push-up challenge still in effect, alright? Alright, so like I said, this time I'm gonna put my feet up on this like that's the threshold into the shower. So I'm gonna put my feet on that. So that's gonna give me a little bit more of a decline, alright? So let me go ahead and get started and start to take this shower. Yeah, y'all truckers, so y'all know I'm inside the pallet. The bathroom inside the pallet, here to take my shower, right? So y'all already knew that, right? Alright. Alright, that was 30. Like I said, doing those, you still definitely gonna work on your triceps. You're gonna work on those. Alright, so take a little small breather. Shake it out a little bit. But yeah, that'll help put that little horseshoe back there. They call it the horseshoe. Yeah, that'll help do that right there. Y'all, I'm actually tired too. I'm doing a lot of driving today. I didn't get to sleep like I wanted. So that's why I stopped at this truck stop. Go ahead and get the rest of my time. I'll leave out tonight about 2 or 3. Just going back up to South Carolina, around Greenville, with that load of watermelons. Alright, that was 30. Alright, that's 40. I'm feeling the thing today, y'all. Oh, I'm really feeling it, man. Really feeling it. See if I get these last 10 out. I'm feeling it today. I ain't even gonna front. I ain't even gonna front, y'all. I'm feeling it today. I mean, you can always, in between you can always plank, in between you can plank, you can be on one arm, switch over, do the other arm, whatever, or just plank, Like I said, always have one arm or the other arm, whatever. But I can wear myself out because I gotta get the last 10. Alright, let's get to the last 10, y'all. Alright, man. Alright, man. So, that's it right there, y'all. Alright. It's your boy D Wills coming at you. About to jump in the shower, man. Y'all keep it up, alright? 50 push-up challenge. We're gonna make it do what it do. Alright, y'all. Peace.